Hello everyone, today I will introduce you a mini fresh fridge purifier to you, and it needs 3 to 8 batteries. Now put them into the machine. Then close the battery door. It has 2 modes, low mode and high mode. Now press the on and off button. The green light is coming, indicating the machine is working. And this is the high mode. In this mode, it will generate ozone for about 15 minutes continuously. And after the initial 15 minutes, the unit will generate ozone for a 15 seconds every 30 minutes. And then press the mode button. The red light is coming, indicating this is a low mode. In this mode, it will generate ozone for about 10 minutes continuously. After the initial 10 minutes, the unit will generate ozone for a 10-second period every 30 minutes. It is very convenient for you to put it into the refrigerator to kill bacteria. Okay, this is all on my introduction. Thanks for your watching.